An East Galt home, walking distance to shopping in downtown Galt. Welcome to 54 Elgin Street North in Cambridge. Hi, I'm Nelson Rego with Royal LePage Crown Realty Services. This 3-bedroom home is perfect for a first-time home buyer or those looking to downsize. Please come on in and let's take a look. This home has been freshly painted and features new flooring throughout the main living spaces. The maple kitchen features an island and plenty of cabinetry. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms and the family bath. Out back, you have a large yard, access to the walk-up basement, plus a detached garage for your storage needs. Love to take you through this house in person. My name is Nelson Rego with Royal LePage Crown Realty Services. I hope to hear from you soon.